welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, it's January 18th. It's 10:11 p.m. Guys, let's dive right into the charts. We've got some turbulent action going on for the price of XRP and the rest of the cryptoverse. Let's dive right into today's video. Boom, guys, first things, we're going to start off with this post here. We got liquidation before rise, and as you can see, XRP right now in January of 2026 is following perfectly the fractal from March of 2017. And as you can see, guys, we had a liquidation event followed by a massive move to the upside. And right now, as you can see, guys, on the charts, we have touched the 184 mark with a wick as we are starting a liquidation event. And this should be a very quick move down, followed by a rapid push to the upside. And if we take a look at the charts right now, you can see that is exactly what we're getting, this large wick to the downside, all the way down to an $1.85. And we are pushing higher. We're currently at $1.95. But I would expect a rapid cross of the RSI, a rapid push to the upside, as in this fractal, if we are playing out perfectly and correctly. Looking at the fractal, guys, and looking at the moving averages, everything is lining up absolutely perfect to the T. RSIs look the exact same. You've got the green and the red moving averages pinching, getting very close. A liquidation event right here, and then an immediate push right through that red moving average, and then they cross. And right here, same thing is happening, guys. We'll get that nice push above $2.10. Those moving averages will cross, and we should get a massive move to the upside. Let me know what you guys think down below. We've got the Russell 2000, tells you where alts are headed. Last cycle, the Russell ripped 130%. Alts followed with 500 to 1,000% plus gains. And now the Russell just broke new all-time highs. Alts haven't moved yet. The same correlation, the same lag. If history rhymes, alts are catching up and making new all-time highs very, very soon. And as you can see, guys, we got the Russell 2000 pushing up into new all-time highs, as we have altcoins down here around support levels, looking for a bullish cross and a bullish move to push up and potentially make new all-time highs. Let me know what you guys think down below. We could be on the cusp of one of the largest altcoin seasons in history. We've got same thing right here, the 200-day EMA resistance. And guys, like I was saying, we got that liquidation event that needs to happen first, and that's what we are seeing. The Z-score baseline broke out. Then suddenly we get a massive move to the upside. Fibonacci ratio at 0.236. We hit that. And before the golden cross occurred, the 20-day and the 50-day EMA, we hit that as well. And we are just getting started, guys. Again, the 2017 to the 2025 fractal, it has begun. Hold on to your bags, guys. It'll be a wild ride. Do not get shaken out. This market movement is nothing. Look at that large wick to the downside. We should be expecting a violent turnaround, a fast, large move to the upside very, very soon, as shown in the previous charts. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the content, watching the videos, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time.